वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल लाइफ विद रश्मि। आज मेरा क्वेश्चन है आप लोगों से, स्पेशली फॉर मेन, कि आप लोग जब वेडिंग पे जाते हो यू वेयर अ नेक टाई। सो हाउ यू वेयर इट? आर you wearing the right fashion sense? Or let's take an example. Are you wearing a tie and a pocket square that's too much of matching? If yes, then you are doing a big mistake. It looks terribly bad. I would say it's outdated. You need to change it. For this, I have come upon some of the guide to let you know what to wear, how to coordinate your different elements of suit and contrast an appealing look with your tie. So let's move on and have that step by step guide, especially for men. Yeah. Your tie should not be wider than 9 centimeters and not skinnier than 7 centimeters for the perfect look. Old school tie. Usually we used to wear with school uniform. They are basically thin from above and thick from below, and it's really outdated fashion which you need to skip away right now. It's okay to wear with school uniform, but you don't need to wear somewhere else. The latest fashion trend is of slim tie, especially worn by youngsters. Now question is, who is suitable for skinny tie? The first picture defines a slim man with normal height and narrow shoulders. Definitely a yes. Third one, slim man, good height, narrow shoulders, yes. Fourth one, short man, medium shoulders, a little bulky, still definitely a yes. Now look at the second person. With broad shoulders, bulky body, short height, definitely a big no. They should wear medium width of tie. Coming to collars, you should wear skinny tie with medium to narrow collar shirt rather than widespread collar. Wearing a thick width of tie makes you look more lean and thin, whereas wearing a slim tie enhances your upper body type and makes it more prominent. Skinny ties look best with one or two buttons single-breasted European cut suits. You can also wear skinny tie with vest and jeans for a smart casual look. Skinny tie does not need any accessory, but you may accessorize it with a simple silver or gold clip to keep the tie in place. But make sure that the clip is narrower compared to the width of tie. Basic simple pattern tie. If you want to wear that, then go for dots or stripes. Don't go for patterns like this, which is very gaudy. Pocket square, tie, lapel pin. Pick only two of the three at any time. When accessorizing, it's important to take note of not to overdo it. Match pocket square with secondary color of tie. Blue is the base color and white is secondary color. So you need to match your pocket square with white. In this picture, the tie is of navy and sky blue. So the pocket square should be of secondary color, that is sky blue. Now, what is lapel? The pink area marked in the picture depicts lapel. The thickness and the knot thickness of tie should match with suit's lapel. Usually people make this mistake. In this picture, the coat lapel is thin but tie is thick, so styling mistake. The below picture reflects lapel is thick and the tie is thick, so perfect style. Your lapel width should be the tie width. The next is tie bar. Instead of using lapel pin, you should go for tie bar, which makes you look more classy and royal, making your appearance appealing, and it helps to keep the tie in place too. The width of tie bar should be narrower than the tie. While coming to colors, always choose basic casual solid tie like black, navy, white or pastel shades. plain color of ties look best, but don't go for gaudy like red, orange, and so much of loud and gaudy colors. Always wear decent and sober colors. If you want, you can go for some patterns like this tie is completely a good look. See, this tie has too many colors, but the pattern is so unique that it's adding grace to your personality and it's like a highlighter to your suit. Now, going without tie and matching your pocket square with your shirt color is the most sexiest look of a man. You can also wear a multicolored pocket square with white shirt, which looks completely elegant. Making your tie too short. Despite the fact that this rule is well known, sometimes men neglect it. There is a general rule. The tip of the tie should just cover the belt buckle. The pointed end of tie should end near your belt buckle or the waistband of your pant. Have you ever seen a man wearing a tie with collar chains? I bet if you have seen such a sassy man, you would go crazy on his fashion sense. Another way to carry the chain is pinning it on the lapel and on the pocket square and wearing a black pocket square with a tie bar. This is the perfect look and this man is enhancing the personality and the fashion sense completely gracefully. So guys, I hope this information was beneficial to you and really helpful to you. If you love this video, then give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such kind of videos. So see you in the next video. If you have any query, you can drop me in the comment section below. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.